I'm Phil Gaimon. I was a pro cyclist for 10 years, racing all over the world. Now I'm retired, but I'm not done suffering on my bike, climbing mountains as fast as I can, and going on crazy adventures. I couldn't be the best at racing, and I'm definitely the worst at retiring. Welcome to Worst Retirement Ever. Hi folks, welcome. KOM season has begun. Here we are in Roanoke, at Virginia's Blue Ridge Mountains to start the year out. Roanoke is an up-and-coming cycling town, so think about like what Bentonville's kind of turned into. Roanoke's going there too. The riding's awesome, and I'm excited to explore it. So Roanoke is hosting USA Cycling's Elite National Championships this year. The women's 2024 team is mostly based in Roanoke now. I have been here before to race a criterium approximately 8 million years ago. That was fun. Even 75 million years ago, they had the Tour DuPont came through Roanoke. There is a KOM that I'm going to go for that was raced in the Tour DuPont. But first, I'm just going to go for a nice bike ride. The only problem is it's a little bit cold out, and I forgot my arm warmers. The good news is my clothing sponsor is right here in Roanoke. That Starlight Apparel does the custom clothing, and the black bibs are the $40 bib shorts and all the other accessories and stuff. So we're going to see if I can solve that problem. Stratton, how we doing?
Good. Hey, Phil.
Good. Can I get a little tour?
Sure.
Beautiful.
Welcome to Black Bibs headquarters.
Thank you. So you said this used to be a Kroger, or a Save-A-Lot supermarket and then a Kroger?
It has a long history of being different grocery stores until we moved in.
That explains the really stale crackers I had when we got here.
Mm-hmm. We've even got a vault that we don't know what's in it. So. But you know, these are the different black bibs that we have in stock. Whenever someone orders, they get pulled out, put in an envelope, and shipped. And back here is our photo studio.
Yep.
And various offices, water fountain. So down here we have different jerseys. These are women's bibs, tall bibs, our short inseam black bibs. We've got everything. We've got bibs for all kinds of riders.
So Stratton's going to be our local tour guide for this trip. You ready to go ride?
I'm ready.
All right, let's do it.
That's going to be $80.
Oh. Well, that's not bad, actually, for how much I just stole. All right, so we finished day one with a good little effort up Mill Mountain. So I got the local KOM, hopefully got the travel out of my legs a little bit. And then Stratton got me a beer. Where are we?
Golden Cactus Brewing.
Golden Cactus. There's a lot of nice breweries in Roanoke. There's our second cheers of the day, but not too much because the big KOM I'm going for is tomorrow. Well, you can have as much as you want.
So it's 12 o'clock now. It's steep at the bottom, pretty steep in the middle, pretty steep at the top.
Okay, hang on, let me take notes. All right, so that's it. So we're gonna do a little recon. We'll do one lap to warm up and do recon, and then we'll go for it. That's a super cool little climb. Nothing that interesting tactically. It's just mostly a steady grade and it's steep and it's gonna hurt, but that's always good to know. Fast time is just over 14 minutes. Let's give it a rip. I want to say thank you to, was it Virginia Blue Ridge? Blue Ridge of Virginia. I want to thank the Blue Ridge, the Blue Ridge of Virginia. I'll put link, there's this climb. There's lots of other climbs around here just like it. So you should come out here and go up them slower, but spend a few days and have a good time. I'll put links to everything in the description. Oh, and thanks to Stratton, local business. Check out the black bibs for your. This suit is very, very aero, which was helpful today. That's it for Worst Carbon Ever, Virginia. See you next time.